going?
We're going boat trip.
Actually,
Yeah,
we're going for a sailing trip. It's going to be a full day of excursion in the water, some snorkeling, and hope to see some good sights.
Tayo, kailangang iwanan ng tsinelas.
Iwan lang natin.
Oh, iwan nyo yung tsinelas. So, ayan, marami kami. Nasa 50. Okay. Hello. Let's go here. Nagsasakayan ng mga tao. Good morning. Hi. How are you? Good. Yeah. Boat trip namin ngayong araw maghapon, guys. Buong pamilya, kaibigan, nanditong lahat. That one.
I just submit these clothes.
So, Oscar, are you ready?
yes. Super ready. Super ready.
Super ready. Dito na kami, nakakuha kami ng magandang spot dito sa taas. Mr. Carlo, Magno.
Hello.
Mga friends ng aking anak at manugang, nandito rin silang lahat. So ito yung nandito pa lang kami sa port. Weng, Christine. Hi! Present! Lahat dito present.
Today we have 5 people on the boat that can help you. Myself, Ben, I'm your boat master. And you have the staff here, so you have Mike, you have Katja, you have Joe, and you have Ellen. If you have any question, no problem, you can ask them. You have the 2 boat boys who are game.
Andito na kami guys sa National Park of Phi Island. So andito kami ngayon lahat guys. Ayan ang mga pamangkin ko. Andito si Christine, si Frenny. Hello, say hello. Kaya pa? Kaya pa po. Meron tatalon? Ay, wala po. Parang wala. Mag-snorkeling. Maganda raw dito mag-snorkeling. Daw pala tayo pupunta. Pwede lumangoy. Kasi kanina, guys, malakas ang alon, hindi makapasok ang boat dito. Mga nakalinya na para sa snorkeling. Yung iba hindi bababa, yung iba bababa. Malakas ang hangin, malakas ang alon. Pauwi na kami. Malapit na kami sa Pampang, bababa na kami. Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes. 20 minutes, ano? So ayan, kalmado na yung tubig. Kanina nakakatakot talaga.